Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got POCO F5 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, let's tap on it and then scroll down to find the accounts and sync. Of course, as you can see, we've got the Google section and we can add or remove a Google account using it, but to be honest I personally prefer to do it by using this section. So let me simply tap on it and let's start with adding the account. Then let's pick Google and make sure that we've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. From this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, we do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. You can turn on the backup right now, I don't want to do it. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course you can read it, just tap on it and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept and right now we can go back. As you can see here we've got our Google account added, sorry. And of course if you want to you can remove it simply just by tapping on it. So let me show you. Let's tap on the account, tap on more and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again and as you can see it immediately disappears from the list. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to add or remove a Google account in your POCO F5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.